What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video on my channel. It is me, the Dennis Scott here, and today I will be doing a very long-awaited video. So this thing that I'm going to be doing today, guys, is going to be something that I have held off for a while. Now, I think I tried making a video like this in the past, but I never ended up posting it. I don't know why. I think it's because I just didn't know how to edit back then, because I was too lazy to actually do everything with it. So basically, that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be cleaning my room, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean my whole room. Like, I'm not going to be doing something very simple. Not only will this help me, because after this video I'll be done cleaning my room, and it would also really show you guys how to clean your room. Maybe you have like no idea what to do in your room, because you know, sometimes just rooms can like get really messy and you don't know what to do with them after a while. So this video is here to help you guys figure out a way how to, like, you know, get rid of all that mess. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get straight into the video, and I hope you guys really enjoy this video. But first of all, guys, before we get into this video, like, subscribe, tell everybody about it. You already know, everybody, your family, your friends, besties, everybody. And let's get straight to the video, because I see no reason to waste any more time. Bye. Okay, guys, so we're gonna start off with the most dreaded place in your room. Probably for me, it is the most dreaded place, because it's the thing that everybody sees as soon as they walk into your room, and that is obviously my bed, guys. Because look at that, I have a whole bunch of clean clothes that I have not folded, because I have been just, I wouldn't really say lazy, but I just don't really, you know, like, sometimes you just don't feel like doing anything, guys. I work really hard at school, and like having this whole Christmas break has just really taught me to really rest, even though I'm not gonna rest whenever school comes back. But you know, guys, like, this is a prime example of me not getting my cleaning in, because apparently I just forgot how to clean. But guys, the first thing I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna probably fold my clothes. I'm gonna try my best to do this as fast as I can, because I don't want you guys to like have to sit here and watch me fold for the whole time, because this video is cleaning my whole room, not just, you know, my little clothies. But I'm gonna go ahead and just get this straight. I apologize, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get straight into this, and you guys are just gonna watch me struggle fold my clothes. Okay, guys, I don't know why my camera is so zoomed in, but guys, as you can see, I literally have my violin and everything else out here just sitting out in the hallway, and I have a bag of trash, and then I have my friend's gift right here, guys. So I'm just gonna slide those out, because I do not want to keep these in my room at the moment. So as you guys can tell, I'm still working on my room, obviously, but I have folded all of my clothes. And the reason why I haven't put them away yet is because I'm going to be organizing my drawers, and you guys will see that. I don't know what this little is this deodorant? I think this is deodorant. What in the world? How does deodorant get on my drawer? On my dresser? Anyway, but still, guys, I need to work really hard, because look at this, guys. I still have to work on my closet, which we'll be organizing. I don't know. I'm kind of debating whether I should do it by color or whether I should just, I don't know. I really don't know, guys. I really don't know. And guys, my bed is pretty much okay, and I'm going to leave everything else up here. I'm probably going to, whenever we get some ink, I'm going to probably print some more pictures of like my family and friends up here, because I took some things down because, like, I don't know, some things were just irrelevant to me there, so I just took them down. And also, guys, that is pretty much how we're, you know, set up here. And also, guys, just to point this out, I know that this is like a little pause in the video, but I did like I don't know, guys, I kind of like rearranged my room, because this desk used to be right here, but I moved it over here since I got Snowy, which, if you guys want to see Snowy, let's go ahead and show you guys her right now. Yeah, guys, so here Snowy is. You know, she's just chilling in her tank. You know, she's just vibing. She's just doing the most right now. She's just being extra, because, you know, the camera's in front of her. Yeah, basically that is Snowy, and that's pretty much all I have to show you guys, and all we have to really talk about. And my dresser, obviously right now, it's still in progress. Okay, guys, I'm really gonna fix it, but I'm just trying to show you guys my room before and after. So guys, what I'm gonna do right now, what you guys are gonna see me do right now, I'm going to go ahead and pull out my drawers, and I'm gonna start cleaning them and folding, and I will see you guys in the next clip. Here I am, guys. I'm so ready to start this little cleanup right now, because I've been waiting to clean up my drawers, and I'm so excited to get this done. So anyways, guys, I'm going to show you guys a few more things with this little section of the video, and I'm probably not going to show you guys all of it, because I don't want you guys to watch all of this, because it's going to be too much footage, and I don't want you guys to get bored. So guys, we're going to go ahead and start pulling out some of those drawers, and let's get straight into it. So basically what I'm gonna do now, if you're wondering why I didn't pull out this drawer, it's because I already cleaned this drawer. I'm gonna show you guys after everything's done, but I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the vacuum, which I already have. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the vacuum. I'm gonna go ahead, what am I saying? I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum all the dust and stuff like that. And I'm gonna wipe off all of this, probably with like some wipes and something like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and see how that goes. So just watch and watch and watch and watch me struggle. Okay guys, so as you can see, I clearly have not been cleaning my drawers for the past I don't even know how long, it's probably been years, like 2 years or so, but guys, literally those are my drawers right now, and this is my bed so far, and I haven't even started with this drawer or this drawer. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those sorted out, and I will see you guys once all of this folding is done and all this vacuuming and cleaning the drawers are done. Okay guys, I am finally back, and I know that it really isn't gonna really show in this video because obviously like whenever I edit it, the video is gonna like seem like everything's all put together, which it is, as you can see as you're watching it. But guys, the last time I recorded, it was 9:40. And now it is 1 o'clock in the morning, guys. It's almost 2 o'clock. And I was working in my room this whole time, but most of the time I went downstairs, you know, to go like eat, take a break. I had like 3 slices of pizza because I didn't eat all day, guys, and that's not good. So I had 3 slices of pizza, made sure I had my juice and stuff like that. I'm gonna probably practice Cheshire after this. But besides that, guys, we're gonna go ahead and show you guys everything that I have done off camera. Guys, I cannot wait to show you guys this because it is really, 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 really nice, guys. So guys, we're gonna see it in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so starting off with these are literally all of the clothes that I cannot fit or the clothes that I just don't want, and I put them all in the bag. And guys, here you go, guys. My bed is all cleared off. I'm gonna organize my bed obviously, but guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little drawer reveal. So let's start with the top drawers. So see, as I have here, I have my boxers here, and I have my socks. And then if you open the drawer to your right, you also have some more boxers and you have more socks. And then as you go down to the second left drawer, you have all of my shirts. These are all of my house clothing and stuff like that. These are like some memory shirts, like shirts that I had from when I was younger. Sorry about my feet. You can see in the frame. Those are like my clothes when I was younger, you know, saves those memories. These are like basketball shirts and stuff like that. And then spirit shirts from my school. And then to your right, the second right one, you have all these house clothing, these house shorts, I would say. And then you have my pajamas, and then you have my pool shorts right here, my trunks, and that's about it. And then once you go down here to the bigger drawer, you have all of my shirts that I wear out. The shirts that I wear out, obviously I have more in my closet, but these are the shirts that I wear out folded in my drawer. And then over here, I have my Grinch onesie and my blanket and my house shirts. So that's about it. And then as you open this one, ooh, it's kind of broken, guys. Don't worry about that. This one is kind of empty right now. I have nothing else to put in there because I have to do my laundry and stuff like that. So guys, that's pretty much about it. So what I did, and guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and start organizing Snowy's area and organizing my dresser and probably just organizing everything else out here except for my closet, which my closet will be for tomorrow. I'm just gonna show you guys before for tomorrow because, you know, tomorrow is going to be a very eventful day of me cleaning my closet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what I'm going to do, and let's get straight into it. Okay, anyways, guys, I don't know why I'm trying to make this so complicated for myself, but I'm just making it complicated for no reason. But Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and leave the rest of this little thing that we have going on for tomorrow, guys, because I have worked pretty hard, and I'm not gonna mess with Snowy's area right now because she looks like she's at least trying to go to sleep, and I'm probably keeping her up by all these movement noises. But guys, I'm firstly halfway done cleaning my room basically, because all I gotta do is just clean that little area over there, which is Snowy's area, which should not take long because, you know, she doesn't require much. And also for my Xbox area, which my gaming area, which I'm going to be getting my case next week most likely. So cannot wait to start recording content for you guys. And that's about it, guys. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I really hope that you guys have been keeping your rooms clean. Don't let your room end up like mine, because my room ended up very messy. I wasn't really expecting it, but as soon as I cleaned it today, I really saw my true colors. I went around thinking that I was the cleanest person ever, but I'm really not. So guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please give it a nice thumbs up. Give me a nice subscribe. If you don't feel like subscribing, just sit back, relax, and watch this video. And I will see you guys tomorrow for day 2 of cleaning. Bye, guys. Alright guys, welcome back to day 2 of my little room clean. And as you guys can really tell, everything has stayed in shape. So almost everything has stayed in shape. I still remember, guys, I still have to go through this drawer, clean it, and I still have to clean my gaming area, and I still have to clean Snowy's area. But as of today's work, that's about it. Oh, except for my closet, guys, which you guys already saw my closet in like the last clip. So I'm gonna have to really work really hard on the closet. I really didn't want to work on the closet at all, but I don't think it's gonna be that hard because most of the clothes are in there already folded for the top for me to reorganize. So that's gonna be a lot easier for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with Snowy's section. I'm gonna go from easiest to hardest. I'm gonna go ahead and start with Snowy's section, and let's get straight to it. I have taken off everything from this desk, and I just left her tank there, you know, because I might want to get a bigger tank eventually, but as of right now, I'm just going to leave it like this for the 5-gallon. But anyways, guys, I took out the food, I took out the conditioner, I wiped out the desk, all the dust, all the food particles, like maybe like the crumbs that have probably come from her food. You know, obviously I just cleaned that all off. And obviously you saw me wipe down everything else, you know, just like the gray parts and everything. And down here, I have all of her cords. I know it looks a bit messy, guys, but there's really no way to make it look neat at the moment. So I'm just gonna keep them like this. I might just carry them. I don't know, guys, I really don't know, but I'm just gonna leave them like this for now. And everything else for her is just down here, like her gravel and then her little marbles. I wouldn't really call those marbles. I think those are, what are these called again? I don't remember what those are called. And then basically I have her little tank scrubber, and then her filter, and then her prime, her conditioner, whatever you want to call it. And then you also have her food here. And that is pretty much how I organize it, guys. So as you can tell right now, I still have all these things here, but I'm just gonna remove them soon. And that little section I'm gonna work on like at the end, but as of right now, I need to start working over here and my gaming section. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys just see me start working. Okay guys, so I have finally finished this part of my room. So obviously I just have all my little things I got my little saving pan, and then I got my little booklet back there, and then I have my lamp, my pens, my wallet, and then my chapstick, and then Alexa. And then I have my watches down here, and then my computer that literally doesn't work anymore. I don't know why I still have it. And I have this thing for my what's it called, my gaming monitor, which I don't need really because I'm pretty sure I know how it works. I have everything else under here. I would show you guys this, but I don't want to pull out the drawer. I just organize it. It may not look organized because you guys can't really see it, but that's about it. And I just organized inside of this drawer. There's nothing really important in there. So that's about it, guys. And under my bed is pretty clean. So guys, we have pretty much finished everything out here. Still have to work on the closet, but guys, this is everything that, you know, I have been shoving to the corner to like take out of my room, because this, guys, all this, like at least most of this is from these drawers, this drawer right here. So that's crazy to me, but I just kind of organized this part. Oh my word, guys, I don't know how they just like fall out of place already, but it's literally gets on my nerves that things cannot stay organized for more than 5 seconds. But anyways, guys, yeah, that's pretty much what I have going on here. And Snowy, there she is, guys. I was literally looking for Snowy because she was hiding, and now she just came out for the video. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start working on my closet, and that will be it for the video. Alrighty, guys, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna start clearing out my closet, putting all the clothes on my bed, and then I'm gonna just start reorganizing. So there's not much to really see here, so you guys are just gonna watch me. Oh my goodness, guys, I have finally finished cleaning my room. I just have to vacuum. But now, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I have done to my closet. It's not much of a, you know, big difference, but that is pretty much what I did. So I color coordinated all of it, as you guys could see in like the last clip, obviously. But I color coordinated them as much as possible. Like some clothes, they can't really match with the others because they have a lot of colors over there, I mean, in them. So that's why I put them over here. So like the purples, they don't have enough to you know, have their own section, so I put them over here with the other colors that just did not match up with any of the other ones. So I know it doesn't really look that color coordinated, but I kind of get the vibe. So at the top, guys, I'm gonna probably fold up these blankets, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna show you guys any of that, but it's basically like that's about it, guys. There's nothing much to do. I don't want to keep cleaning and then clean to the point where I literally gonna pass out. But anyways, guys, that is pretty much how I'm going to end it off. But I'm just gonna go ahead and just show you guys how I vacuum my room. It's pretty simple. There's not really anything hard about vacuuming a room, but if you guys don't know how, then I guess you can just learn today. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I vacuum my room, and let's just get straight into it. Oh my goodness, guys, I have finally finished cleaning my room, and don't mind all this mess. I'll get rid of it, obviously, but right now, guys, I'm gonna show you guys my room in 3, 2, 1. Oh my word, guys. So my room is finally nice and clean. Like, it has never been any cleaner, guys. Like, look at the dresser. The dresser just looks amazing, to be honest. I just love it. Snowy's in her little vibey place right now. And then, you know, we have our little fish stuff down there, you know. This is all Snowy's area. Like, that's all for her, to be honest. And then you have my K-pop stuff. Literally everywhere. There's nothing new about that. You have my vacuumed floors that look amazing. Let's just say that. And then you have my Lysol there, obviously to disinfect because we hate germs. And then we have my laundry basket. And then, you know, we just have a whole nice bit of vibes here, guys. So my room is finally done. I don't know what happened to my headphones while they're so wrapped up like that, guys, but my room is finally done, and I'm so excited to start this new year off in a new clean room. I know it's not a new room, but obviously, you know, just starting the year off nice and fresh into a new year. I just love that vibe. You know, it just really helps me set the mood for the rest of this year. And guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I definitely did myself because, you know, it was a lot of work cleaning and stuff like that, but it all pays off in the end, I promise, guys. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.